Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Sarah and I am happy you are here with me today. I really need the company to get through today's chores. I have been putting off getting started. I got half ready for the day but gave up and just threw on my comfy PJs. I realized pretty quickly that I needed a slower day. Now, don't get me started on the laundry situation. It has reached probably mountain status. 5 baskets, guys. 5. I don't even know how we own this many clothes, but I realise that sitting here and stressing about it is making me more mentally exhausted than probably actually doing it. So I figured, why not just turn the camera on, invite you guys over, and we can just chat whilst I start to try and get my life back in order after what feels like a month of sickness sweeping through the house. We aren't doing anything fancy today. I guess we're just doing a mini reset so I can feel more like a human being again. So, if you've got a pile of dishes staring you down, or a basket of socks that needs matching, or you just need some background noise whilst you get through your own to do list, let's do this together and let's tackle this kitchen first.
The camera flash went off. Reflection made your eyes red. You said you have a secret. They reveal on the portrait. We dressed up as well as others. Fancy oversized coats. We don't know how to wear them. We do it look like both. You are so well, and we're breathing still. You are so
Did you catch my little trick that I've got going on here at the moment? So, do you guys remember I bought this Sif sprayer? I think it came with like a lavender multi-purpose spray in it, and I hated it. But I really like the bottle because the trigger makes it kind of mist out a lot longer than what a spray bottle would, and I love it. So my hack, just like my fairy spray trigger soak, whatever it's called, by my sink. I've done exactly the same thing. I've repurposed the bottles that I love using, and in the Sif one, I've actually put the original Sif spray into it. And that's how I'm using it, and I'm loving it. So yeah, just a little quick tip. And here we are, the kitchen is done. Now we are moving into the living room to tackle the laundry. And trust me when I say I do not want to be doing this. I do not want to be adulting, but this is a week's worth of laundry. And in fact, we've been living out of these baskets. So it's not even the full amount as to what was in here after I'd finished doing the laundry. Now, I am very good at doing a load a day. Very, very good. But when it comes to folding and putting away, no. No, thank you. Yeah. So here we are. This is how I get myself into this mess. Okay, so let's talk about my current system. Well, if you can even call it that. I've been doing a system where I just throw a massive mix load in. It's mine, it's the kids, it's everything all at once. I thought I was being clever and efficient because, well, I guess the machine was full. But just look at the result, 5 baskets of a complete who knows who this belongs to jigsaw puzzle of mind games that I go through. I think this is, well, I know this is exactly why these baskets have been sitting here for 5+ days. The mental energy of sorting each kid's from my own is just a lot. But how I go about this current system is each person has their own baskets. I have a no fold system for my kids. They are now at the age where it is up to them whether they want to ram it into a drawer, throw it on the floor, throw it under the bed. If they want to fold it nicely and put it away and hang it up, then that's up to them. That's what they do. Um, and this cuts, I want to say this will cut about 45 minutes from this whole routine. And I wish I had learnt this system when the kids were younger and I wasn't so frigid about folding each child's items and putting them away neatly in the drawers because guys, we know they just pull it straight back out. And it's all over the floor within 5 minutes. I sort mine and my husband's together and then I will fold and hang ours on hangers. Um, but I've been thinking I need a change before I lose my mind. I am considering moving to a one person per day schedule, like Mondays kid A, Tuesdays kid B, Wednesdays kid C, Thursday is mine, and so on. That way, when the load is finished, every single thing in that load goes into one person's basket. No sorting, no hunting. Would that actually work? Or is it one of those things that sounds amazing in theory but fails by Tuesday? I'm really curious. How do you guys handle the mountain? Are you a mixed load family like me? Um, do you just power through the sorting? Or do you have some genius system? Come tell me all your secrets in the comments. I need the hacks. I need the motivation.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times.
guys, it's that time where we need to start saying goodbye. I know, it's sad. But I'm just so relieved that the sink is empty, the dishwasher is empty. Don't even get me started on the laundry. Looking at the baskets after I'd finished, stacked up by the stairs, ready to go. Um, was probably the most satisfying thing I've seen all week. Honestly, if you weren't here with me, I know for a fact those clothes would still be sitting on the floor, and the only adulting I had done today was probably picking an outfit out of the pile. um, I really hope that while tackling my mountain, you were able to get through some of your own to-do lists too. Or I guess if you're just sat there having a drink of coffee whilst I do all the work, that's totally fine too. Sometimes we just need the company to feel like the world isn't quite so chaotic. My brain feels so much quieter now. It's funny how a clean space can do that. It's not about being perfect or having a house that looks like a show home. It's about making a space where you can actually breathe. I have officially hit my adulting limit for the day. I am going to go and heat up my coffee, probably for the third time, and just enjoy a little bit of silence for a few minutes before the boys get home from school. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. It truly means the world that you chose to hang out in my messy little life for a bit. If you are still working on your own house, keep going. You are so close. If you like the kind of content that I share, stick around, subscribe, hit that like button, do all the things, hype me. Everything helps my channel grow. Um, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully with a lot less laundry, but let's be real, probably not. Bye, guys. Have a fantastic weekend. Much love.